How to enable or disable activation button to start voice access from any screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Then in here, tap on voice access. Next, go down and tap on settings. And then we scroll down and tap on activation button. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn it on, you can see there is a voice access icon. I can tap on it to start voice access anytime. And I can tap on it to pause. So we'll display a button to start voice access from any screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.